Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been looking for a summer makeup routine that's fresh, lightweight, and actually survives the heat without feeling heavy, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the prettiest summer makeup I've tried this year using affordable products that give you a natural, radiant finish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new beauty video. Let's get started. Step 1. Hydrating Primer. A lightweight primer helps your makeup stay fresh while keeping your skin comfortable. e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This type of primer gives the skin a hydrated, slightly tacky base that helps makeup last longer. It feels lightweight instead of greasy, making it great for hot weather. It also smooths the skin so foundation applies more evenly. Step 2. Skin Tint or Lightweight Foundation. Apply Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint SPF 50 using a damp makeup sponge or a brush. Blend from the center of your face outward for a natural skin-like finish. Add another thin layer only where you need extra coverage. Step 3. Brighten with Concealer. Apply e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer under your eyes, around the nose, and on any blemishes or areas that need extra coverage. Blend it gently with a damp makeup sponge or a small concealer brush using tapping motions until it melts seamlessly into your skin. The hydrating formula provides medium to full coverage while keeping the under eye area looking smooth, fresh, and natural. Perfect for a lightweight summer makeup look. Step 4. Add color to your cheeks. Dot e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush once or twice on each cheek. Blend quickly with a sponge or brush using gentle tapping motions. You can also add a tiny amount across the bridge of your nose for a soft, sun-kissed look. Step 5. Create a natural glow. Lightly sweep Essence Pure Nude Highlighter on the tops of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, your brow bone, and your cupid's bow. This gives a beautiful glow without looking glittery. Step 6. Define your lashes. Curl your lashes if you like, then apply 2 thin coats of Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Waterproof Mascara. Wiggle the wand at the roots and pull upward to separate and lengthen each lash. Step 7. Finish with glossy lips. Apply e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil directly to your lips. One coat gives a soft, glossy finish, while a second coat adds extra shine and hydration. The lightweight, non-sticky formula keeps lips feeling smooth and comfortable all day.